Hi, my name is Pedro Torres. I'm here to explain to you how our high voltage safety terminal works, invented by Ricardo Nieto. This is the product right here. It's pretty straightforward, pretty simple. Spring loaded, activated. I'm gonna show you how it works and how it's set up, how it's meant to save lives. Situation, you'd probably have to wear safety goggles and some gloves, some electrical gloves to work on here. But since we have no power running to these, there's no need. It's better we can show you how it works. Right here, what we got is our typical setup, how you would have any residential home, maybe commercial, maybe light industrial setup that you have here. This is our breaker box here. This is our meter can. Think about the meter can, people that don't know, it's what feeds actual power to your breaker box. You have a high voltage line coming in here, into your meter can, and going into your breaker box, which then divides the power and separates the different units in the house, commercial, business, whatever the case may be. These lines that come directly into it from either be overhead or underground is these lines here. These lines always have power, they're always hot. Once you disconnect one of this line here, this line that goes to your breaker box automatically is without power, is why these right here don't have a terminal. But I'm going to show you how it usually is. Right here coming into your house, if these are connected, these always have power. Typically what you have is this right here, this wire, or this wire here, is how it would be set up. This wire is how it's set up now. How every home, how every business usually has it, is a straight wire right into your receptacle here. What I'm about to show you is what would happen if it was loosened up purposely, accidentally. What would happen is you would loosen this up, and your wire would come out, and you have here a bare wire, which if it were to make contact with the breaker box, your electrician, anything happening, whether it be purposely, accidentally, could cause shock, even death. And it's why we came up with the design, and this is how it works. This is what it's meant to do. Alright? You get your safety terminal here, you slide it right over the wire, just like this. Give it a little twist, and you see it stays on there. It's made never to come back off. Once it's on there, it can't come off. You see the wire that goes right through here, right through here. Now to install it's pretty easy, pretty simple. Something so simple like to save a life. Here you go. All you do is, without even touching the wire, without having to do anything, just push it right into your receptacle just like that. Like so. And it stays in place. Now, in turn, with these receptacles on, if it would ever accidentally come undone, purposely for whatever reason, loosen it up and it automatically pops out, covering the exposed wire, which will eliminate it from getting shocked, getting hurt, or anything. Then you reinstall it. All you do is loosen up your receptacle, slide it back in place, tighten back up, and you're ready to go.